Good morning, students. Today we're going to start a new chapter of science, that is heredity and evolution, where we'll be discussing the work done by Joseph Johann Mendel. He did two most important experiments that is included in your science chapter number 9, that is heredity and evolution. One is the monohybrid experiment. Another is dihybrid experiment. So we'll be going for monohybrid experiment now. For doing these experiments, monohybrid, dihybrid or polyhybrids, what Mendel did, he took 7 pairs of contrasting characters that came for peoples. Okay? What is the meaning of 7 pairs of contrasting character? Let me give you 1 or 2 examples. Suppose if I speak height, H-E-I-G, height is a character which having 2 contrasting. Okay? What is that contrasting? One is tall, other is what? Dwarf. Got it? These are contrasting. If I tell the person has height, that doesn't mean that the person is tall. He may be dwarf also, short also. Because the height has 2 contrasting characters. Another, you take the seed shape because he was doing in the pea plant. And the seed was round and what? Wrinkled. Like that, this is 1, this is 2. Like that, how many characters he took? He took 7 pairs of contrasting character for making his experiment successful or knowing how the traits are transmitted. Now let's go for monohybrid experiment. For doing the monohybrid experiment, Mendel took 1 pair of contrasting character. What is the meaning of 1 pair? 1 pair means, as I told you, height. As I told you, height has how many contrasting character? Height has 2. What are those? Tall and what? Dwarf. When 1 pair is taken, not more than 1, mono means 1. That type of crossing that he did is called monohybrid cross. That means when the crossing is done by taking only 1 pair of contrasting character, that type of cross is called what? Monohybrid cross. Let's go for the cross. Tall, TL, tall. What it did? It crossed with dwarf. For that, Mendel used some alphabet to understand the process in the transmission to the next generation. For tall, he used capital T. Understood? Capital T. And for dwarf, he used the same letter but small. Small t. Understood? Now, you see the gametes. I'm writing with gene. Gametes, as it is, we are diploid. So, when the gametes are formed, it will be half of the organism character. So, capital T will be 1 T here. And here when the gametes will be formed, it will be 1 small t. Understood the thing? Now what happens? These 2 unite. This is called F1 generation. F1 generation means what? This is mother, this is suppose father, or this is father, this is mother. Gametes are produced, gametes unite. Then that is the occurrence of next generation, son. That is called first filial generation or F1 generation. What will be? Capital T, small t. Understood? So, here in this case, he found it to be tall. Understood the thing? Now, this is the tall. Now, the tall will be having Two types of gametes. Try to understand the students. This is tall, F1 generation. These are the parent. How many gametes? Capital T, and it will be having small t. Because two types. Here types are one, but gametes are many. I am not telling how many gametes will be produced. Gametes will be many, but type of the gamete will be capital T. Type of the gamete will be small t, but many will be there. Here types will be two types. As two types are united. Two are united. Capital T, small t united. So type of gametes will be what? Two. So let me put it here in this case. So this is what? This is F1 generation. So F1 generation gamete, I will be putting here capital T, small t. I don't know whether it will be male or female. So I will be taking it as male and female both. So what will be writing here? This is capital T, small t. When these gametes are crossed with the male and female, then we are finding capital T, capital T, capital T, small t. Capital T, small t is there. So we'll be writing the capital letter first. Capital T, small t. Understood? Then here, small t, small t. Now, we'll be trying to know tall. Tall, this one is tall, is not it? Capital T, so this is one tall. As I written down, capital T, small t, this is also tall. Three tall are there. Then dwarf, how many? Dwarf is one, this one only. So, what is the ratio we are getting here? Ratio, I am writing it with black. Ratio is 3:1. 3 tall, 1 dwarf. The type of crossing when you do with taking one pair of contrasting character, that type of crossing is called what? Monohybrid crossing. And the ratio that we find from the monohybrid crossing is called monohybrid ratio. And what is the ratio? 3:1. In the next video, we'll be going for dihybrid cross. Thank you, students.